Oh, dude, you already have skin knees, sir. This is too careful. It's slippery.
It's fucking jumpy.
I agree. I really like it. I like being with you guys and just. Yeah.
அம்மா இது பண்ணவா பாத்து உள்ள போயிட்டு கால் எடுத்துட்டு இந்த சைடு வராத சறுக்கு பாத்து
How do you even up there?
Oh yeah, that's what you're doing.
Thank you. We'll get one of the 5 minutes. I love that right there. That one.
I'm not taking another picture right now. We've gotten a lot already, dude.
Sure. Bobby, come in one more time. Bobby. Hold on to Mom. Hold on to baby.
Look how cool it is.
How do you get up?
I don't know. Step down. You're tall.
Or jump down.
Your legs work.
Or you can jump down.
Yeah.
Okay, Walker, I think jumping in this is not a great idea. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm waiting for you. You got red dirt all over your butt.
Me?
No, your brother.
Left or right?
Be careful.
Left or right?
I say left.
It's Walker's son.
Walker, left or right? Can we go left and go up those stairs that way? I have also no idea where we're going. Just in case.
Cool.
Yeah, I want to go up these stairs this way, and then we'll walk back down and go right. Well, I guess it would be left again, but.
Golly. I can't believe someone owned this back in the 1900s and then donated it.
I wonder what these are.
These trees?
No, like what these like technical like.
Oh, the
Like, I don't know
the
what
rock
they're called.
formation.
Walker, slow down. Okay, this is the upper loop trail, so we'll just go up here and look and then walk around. So we're not going to do the full trail. Hey Walker, you can't run away from us when we're out in the woods, okay? What? What? There's a deer. Walker, don't move.
Walker, stop. Back up, Walker. Back up. There's more. Okay. I know. It's a little pack of does.
They're like eating.
Yeah. Abby,
So they do have deer too.
it's a mule deer. See the tail? It's not all fully white. Okay, stop, Walker. See that this is a yearling right here. So that's a baby.
You don't want to get like attacked.
You don't
by
want
a
to
deer.
you don't want to go near a yearling with a mom.
Is this not the coolest thing ever, guys? Is there
I mean-
another one?
There's another one. Sound like calling the dog, Abby.
But I'm not going to.
All right, one second. There's one more. Let it cross. Yeah, you see him right there. Come on.
It's like, huh? You guys seem concerned.
Let's back up.
Yeah, let's give it some space.
Give it some space. Oh wow, look back.
Oh.
See, Abby, there's the tree line again. You see how there's no trees?
You saw it.
No.
No, it's still there.
It's scared of us, that's how they survived for all these years.
Where is it?
Here it comes.
We just need to give it a little more space. Oh, they're so cool. They're here.
Any more? No more. We're good. Stay to the left, guys, okay? Wait, Walker, stop, stop. Look, they turned. Look at the ears in those suckers.
Is that not a big doe to the left?
Yes. These are yearlings right here.
Those your pets?
They're not in my freezer, so no.
Oh, no.
Bambi, you got your camouflage on.
Well, that one over there is pretty big.
He doesn't know what to do with your camouflage.
Can't see me.
No.
Hey, Walker. Walker.
Okay, well that's gonna be a trip.
And I got it on camera.
What?
And I got it on video.
I'm just glad that that was a deer and not like a bear.
Oh, look, the tree finally died up there.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that tree up there.
It finally gave up.
Whoa, look, guys.
Yeah, that film.
Walker.
Walker, wait. You gotta be.
There might be a bear up here.
Oh,
There probably won't, but there could be.
No, there are probably mountain lions.
They all probably will.
So stay close, please.
Hopefully they won't.
Look at this view, guys.
Whoa.
Holy cow.
This is a great view. Look at that snow up there. That's not snow.
it's just dirt, but I don't think there's actually any snow. It's pretty cool, huh, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. My legs are already tired.
Babe, you've never been here?
No.
My legs are not tired.
You're walking? See, I think they like this more than we would have liked the train.
Probably. My wallet likes it too.
I also like tree.
It says keep out. Let's go.
So that just means don't go up.
Yeah, you don't go up.
Keep going straight.
See,
on the
Walker,
trail.
Walker, you can see right here, you see how see the soil?
Yeah.
This is all loose, compacted.
When you step on it, it slides off.
It
from
slides
under you.
off, and they're trying to keep it from there because then it's just going to be rock underneath it. They gotta keep the soil somehow. It's really hard. And that's why protecting the environment is really hard to do. Oh, I think we're getting better views coming up.
What?
We're getting better views coming up.
I know. There's the deer.
Oh yeah.
See him down?
Yep, they went down.
They went down?
Oh.
And they're coming back up.
Yeah, they are. What if you fall from here?
Well, you could get hurt. You definitely read a sign about people dying.
Oh. Probably because it's fell.
Well, it's also like people rock climbing. But you do have to be extra careful. You have to pay attention to where you're stepping. You stay like in the middle, not on the edge. Close.
Not a handrail.
Well, we're not touching it. Yeah, there's people up here. Abby, don't no handrail. Walker, slow down. He's going up down. I know, but I'm just telling you to take it slow. Oh, you see the dogs?
This is where those high ankle boots would come in handy.
I might fall.
We're all doing fine.
Wow.
see the houses?
Daddy, can you sit down over there? You can get in there. I didn't even intend to start going.
Walker, just sit there. Smile. Walker. Walker. Smile. Stop.
What the heck is this?